how to turn reminders customization on and off on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control whether the Reminders app can personalize your experience on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and tap on General Management. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Customization Service. Right here, find Reminders from the list and tap the toggle right next to it. When turned on, Reminders uses your habits and usage patterns to offer smarter suggestions, like recommending reminder times based on when you're most active, or surfacing tasks that are likely coming up based on your routine. From here, it learns from how you set reminders over time, making the whole experience feel more in sync with your daily schedule. Moving on, turning it off stops reminders from using your activity data for personalization. All your existing reminders and tasks will stay exactly as they are. Nothing gets deleted or changed. Finally, the toggle takes effect straight away, so you're all set as soon as you tap it. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.